Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. I'm making this video Sunday at 10 o'clock at night, and I just wanted to make this particular video because tomorrow is Monday and there have been some social media, lots of tweets, so many things happening because people are expecting some PR, some catalyst coming this particular week. Maybe people are saying maybe Monday because of Cryptyde and the dividend thing for BBIG. So I'm just making this video so that I can give you a heads up in case something happens. Again, these are all speculation, so there is no guarantee it will happen, but I just wanted to give my opinion. And if you find this video useful, do not forget to subscribe my channel. Do not forget to like this particular video. Same time, let me know your thoughts in the down description below. Also, if you like to get early alert on different ticker symbol, then I would say join my community. I have a Patreon. You can go and join my community, get access to my Discord so that you can get early alert. As an example, last Friday most of our alert did really good, like 22% profit, 15%, 18%. Even for swing trade it was a nice day. Trade in a community so that you get the alert, you can ask your questions so that you don't feel alone in this particular journey. Anyway, let's talk about BBIG. And by the way, if you do not have Discord, it is also okay. You can always join my YouTube communities. It's really easy. Just click on the join and just become a member. Anyway, BBIG, I'm going to talk a lot about the chart. I will come back. First of all, the price we are sitting, this is a nice area. This is a support. So first of all, look at the chart. This is the price. There is no bottom. So this is a very good price to enter for a swing trade. I will come back to the chart, but most interestingly, I want to talk about other things. So this is the volume, nothing happening in terms of volume. Let's look at the yellow bars. This is the big volume, big spike, then with time it died off again, big spike, it went up again, no volume, it died. So it needs volume first of all. What I wanted to show that the press release they have on, I think, November 8. So it was about their dividend, right, for Cryptyde. So it says that the distribution ratio, the spin-off of 1 share of Cryptyde common stock for every 10 shares of BBIG. So if you have 10 share of BBIG, you will get 1 Cryptyde share. And that thing came November 8. And why this is important? Because I found another thing someone posted somewhere. Let me find it. If there is a form 10, then what happens after 60 days? It becomes automatically. So let me show you something. So any company under this threshold may file a form 10 voluntarily. The form 10 registration statement automatically becomes effective 60 days post filing. So their thing came on 11th of November. So 60 days will be 7th of January. So tomorrow is 10th, Monday, right? So that is why people are expecting something. Also, if you go to different websites, the same thing, Cryptyde launch imminent as reference pops up on Fintel, and the same thing, 60 days. And why Fintel? I went to Fintel, I tried to find Cryptyde, and I see now they have a listing. Cryptyde is weird, 1969, but anyway, now they have something over there. So what people are expecting, any PR might come this coming weekend, right? This coming weekend any PR might come, and whenever the PR will come, this thing will fly. Some people are also talking about the short interest, 25% short interest, dark volume ratio 45%. So definitely if there is any catalyst, any high volume, this thing is gonna fly. I also looked at the shortablestock.com. Currently it's showing me just 25,000 shares are available to short. Nothing crazy. So let's go back to the price action, then I will talk about the option at the same time. So I'm going to hide all the lines. You can see that the chart, right? So it was around $3, then all the fun started, right? Went all the high at 12, came down, again went up, again came down, down, right? But look at the here, look at my line, like $2, 2.2 something, right? This is the absolute bottom, right? Before the big run up, the price was around 2.1, 2.2. Even before that, it was always the floor. Yeah, if I look back in like December 2020, then maybe it was even below, but most of the time 2.2, this is the floor. So even for a swing trade perspective, I think this is a good area to establish some position, have a stop loss in case it falls below. But if you establish your position in anticipation of any kind of catalyst, Cryptyde or anything, then the good thing is if there is a run up, you can participate in the run up. At the same time, if there is any dividend, then you can also get some things, right? So let's look at the chart now. So see here, the blue line, this is what I call the buy zone, because whenever it came in this area 2.15, 2.1, you see it bounced up. In some instant it went to 1.96, but most of the time you see the line here, here, here. This is the area, right? So if you're entering here, maybe let's say you enter around 2.2 or $2 area, you can always have a stop loss just below 1.9. In case it comes, it will just swing over. Or if you just establish a position, just have 5 cent, 10 cent below a stop loss. It's up to you, because the catalyst, people are saying it could be this coming Monday or this particular week. But looking on a bigger perspective, if you're even a long-term investor, this is a good area to establish some position. Whenever it runs, it really runs hard. Now, instead of like a detailed chart, I also want to look at this area here, right? This is the hourly chart. So look what is happening. It has a resistance around 2.6, 1, 2, 3, triple top, then came down, broke the support at 2.4, trying to hold the 2.3 area, tried to go up, again 2.4 rejection. In terms of the chart, it seems like it is bearish, because if the 2.3 is broken, this thing might fall even more, maybe 2.1, $2 area. But if there is any catalyst, that's the thing, right? This thing can just bounce back and it can go higher. So without catalyst, in terms of the chart, this is not a great setup, but again, this is the most important thing. Now I will go back to a daily chart again, and I want to show you something. So I will add RSI, my favorite indicator. Oh, sorry, I'm not gonna change the ticker symbol. I just want to bring RSI. So in terms of daily RSI, you can see that in terms of the daily RSI, currently we are almost oversold, like around 30. Anything below 30 is oversold. So it's time to go up. This is one thing on a daily chart. If I also look at MACD, people like to see MACD. So I'm gonna see the MACD here. You can also see it's just not very exciting, but maybe something is gonna happen. If for daily I go to 1 hour chart, again we have to see in terms of the chart, this is a bearish chart, but if there is a catalyst, that's the big thing. Again, there is no guarantee it will happen, all speculation. So there is always a risk. That is why I always suggest have a stop loss if you are playing this kind of thing, right? Okay, so you know the point. So definitely if there is any catalyst, it will go over 2.4, 2.6, and if it goes higher, some resistance around 3.2, then we have 3.9, and so on. We will see how far it will go, but in general, you know, last time it went to 12. I'm not saying from $2 it will go back to 12 now, but look at the 12 one. This is 8.5, then 4, and more. Anyway, do not want to make it a long video. The other thing is some people love to play call option. So they are not very expensive if you think something will happen this coming week. So if you buy a call option for Friday expiry date, it's not very expensive. 2.5 is strike price. One call option is only $12. So you can just spend $12. If nothing is happening, you just lose $12. So not a big deal, right? And the out of the money call options are even cheaper. If you want to give it more time, maybe try something 21st of January. 2.5 call option is $20 strike price. But look at the open interest. This is what I'm thinking, right? For 5 and 6 is strike price, 74,000, 73,000 call options, and one call option is only $4, $3. Do you want to risk $4 with these people? I don't know. Give a try if you want. Anyway, just wanted to give you an idea what is happening. So most probably in the morning I will just buy some call option, just $10, $12, I don't care. At the same time, you can also buy shares. You can hold the shares with a stop loss in case there is a PR. It will go up, you will make money. Then if you want, you can get out, or if you're a long-term investor, that is another story. Anyway, let me know if you like this particular video, then hit the like button so that more people can watch the video and they can also buy BBIG. At the same time, subscribe my channel, and I always say trade within a community so you get more alert, you see more chart, you can ask me question, you can get updated chart, pre-market, market hour, even after hours. So not very expensive, just $9 per month. VIP only 25 per month. Give a try. Thank you again for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.